we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country located in Africa. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced country names, African country names that are so often get wrong. People don't pronounce them correctly, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing this name. In British English, it is generally said as Lesotho, Lesotho. In American English, however, it is generally said as Lesotho, Lesotho, a landlocked kingdom in Africa, high altitude too. Lesotho or Lesotho. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.